2017 Dodge Ram 3.6 liter V6. Absolutely beautiful truck, as usual. Still got the stock converters right there and right there, still from the factory. Then it's got a factory Y into 3-inch single. We continued that 3-inch single, and then we took the resonator out also. We did a muffler delete and a resonator delete. And then we put a 6-inch tip out the side right there. Complete that look. And that's what we cut off. That's the resonator. That's the muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 V6 3.6 liter V6. Still got the factory converters all the way up there and up there. Then it wires into a single there. Then we continued it and put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK instead of the muffler with 3-inch pipe right there. Then he didn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on it on the back and put a 4-inch tip on it, stainless steel double wall. If you guys want to purchase the tip or the MAGNAPACK, you can see the link in the description. This is the muffler we took off right there. Came out really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, let you hear the sound of it. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 117. Whoa! Gotta back it up. Gotta back it up. 117, dog. That's loud. I don't think you should tame this beast. Just leave it alone. Keep it like this. It sounds really good. Big horn. Go ahead. Really pretty. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you hear it on the inside. Oh yeah, that's sporty, man. That sounds good. Again, this is what the sound decibels on it is. It's about a 103. At its peak, it's about 103 sitting still. Probably be like 105 when you're driving, 105, 107. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500. Go big or go home. That's why we'd like 5 and 6